Today we have to study the matrix. So now first janiba ame what is matrix. A matrix is a rectangular arrangements of number. Rectangular array of कोई दवा number arranged in rows, that means horizontal lines, and columns, means vertical lines. So simply you can say that arrangements of number within the braces or bracket. किसी नंबर को आम अरेंजमेंट करवा क्लोज ब्रैकेट्स रे इज ए बी सी डी ई एफ द नंबर ए बी सी डी ई एफ आर द नंबर ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स and denoted as capital letters A matrix, and the horizontal lines are known as rows. This is ABC and row 1, and DEF is like as row 2. The horizontal lines are known as rows and the vertical lines are known as columns. And since ABC are situated as row 1 and DEF are placed in row 2, similarly AD column 1, BE column 2 and CF column 3. So now we know what is the identification of matrix. Identification माने जमती तुमरो नाटा होची तुमरो आइडेंटिफिकेशन सेमती मैट्रिक्स रो आइडेंटिफिकेशन होची इट्स ऑर्डर, दैट इज order means containing number of rows and number of columns, that is the matrix having 2 rows and 3 columns, so order is 2 by 3 written in the by reading in 2 by 3 but written 2 into 3. So this is the matrix of 2 by 3 matrix. Now if आम रिप्रेजेंट करवा जनरल रिप्रेजेंटेशंस ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. General representations of matrix. If a matrix has having m number of rows and n number of columns, then the matrix called the matrix having m by n order, m by n order matrix. If we can consider the set of number like Aij, that means I means respective row and J means respective columns, then our m by n matrix will be A11, A12, A13 up to A1n. Similarly A21, A22, A23 up to A2n. Similarly AM1, mth row and nth column, m by n, so that AM1, AM2, AM3 up to AMN. So this is the matrix of m by n order, and M11, A12, A13 are the A11 like as first row and first columns, and A12 like first row second column. Similarly, A13 and A1n. So last element will be our AMN, that means mth row and nth column, mth row and nth column. Now you can taking another examples of matrix. A matrix will be 4 7 8 3 6 5. This is the matrix of order is 2 rows and 3 columns. So order is 2 by 3. Order is 2 by 3. The first subscript showing the rows numbers, number of rows, and second subscript on the number of columns. Since the matrix having 4 7 8 3 6 5, so our elements of A13 will be what? A13 means the first row and third columns. This will be first row and third columns. The column 1, the column 2, column 3, row 1 and row 2. So first row third column element will be 8. Similarly, A23, what is the elements of A23? A23 means second row and third column will be 5. Similarly, A22 means second row and second columns. Second row and second columns will be 6. Now, another examples. B matrix equal to sin x, cos x, and cos x minus sin x. This is the matrix of order 2 by 2. 2 by 2. And what is the elements of A22? Elements of 22 is minus sin x. And what is the elements of A21? A21 means second row and first column. Second row, first column is this is second row, row second, first column, cos x. This is the general representations of matrix. Now study the types of matrix. Type of matrix means first is row matrix. A matrix having single row and more columns is known as row matrix. And taking examples of row matrix will be matrix having single row, only one row, and more columns, then the matrix is called row matrix. If example is 1 2 3, this is the examples of row matrix, and the matrix having single row and 3 columns, the column 1, column 2 and column 3. Row is 1. So order of the matrix is 1 by 3. Similarly, A, B, C, D. This is the examples of row matrix of having order 1 by 4 single row in 4 column. This column 1, column 2, column 3, and column 4. Now study the column matrix. A matrix having single column and more rows known as column matrix. That means the matrix having only single columns and more than one rows. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the examples of column matrix containing row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, and this is row 4, and column is 1. So this order of this matrix is 4 by 1. Column, so order of this matrix is 4 by 1. Similarly, we can taking another examples like as A, B, C. This is the examples of matrix of order is 3 by 1. Then study the null matrix, or we can say void matrix. Null matrix or void matrix. A matrix is said to be a null matrix if containing all the elements are zeros. A matrix whose all elements are zero, then the matrix is called the null matrix or void matrix. Like as a matrix equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, we with the matrix 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0. This is called the zeros matrix or null matrix or void matrix. The matrix of the order is 2 by 2. This is the matrix of order is 2 by 3. 2 rows and 3 columns. Here the 2 rows and 2 columns known as 2 by 3, and this is the matrix of 2 by 2, and all the elements are zeros. Since this matrix is called the null matrix. Now to study the rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix means like the shape of rectangles. This means length not equal to breadth. That is, number of columns a matrix having number of rows not equal to the number of columns, then the matrix is rectangular. Matrix, that is, number of rows not equal to number of rows not equal to number of columns. That is, A matrix equal to, taking B matrix equal to 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, 5. This is the matrix of number of rows is 2 and number of column is 3, so that this is the order of 2 by 3. So number of rows not equal to number of columns, since this matrix is called the rectangular matrix. Similarly, another example is A, B, C, D, E, F is the examples of rectangular matrix of order is 2 by 3. Now study the square matrix. A matrix is said to be a square matrix if number of rows equal to number of columns, then the matrix is known as square matrix. That is A, B and C, D. This is the square matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. So this matrix is square matrix. Similarly, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the examples of square matrix due to 3 rows and 3 columns. The 3 by 3. This is 2 by 2 matrix.